you're looking for quality second-hand car, go to Ugarte Cars because they have good quality cars and they have very good service actually.
Hi guys, so we have 4 releases today. We have 2024 BRV, Nissan Almera, 2019 Suzuki Swift, and lastly we have 2025 Toyota Vios. Tara! Ito yung sa casa. Yan. Dalawang small keys.
If you're looking for quality second-hand car, go to Ugarte Cars because they have good quality cars and they have very good service actually. Easy yung transaction, smooth. Within the week, na-release na namin yung car. Thank you din dun sa support staff nila, sina Miss Julie na nag-asikaso sa amin, tsaka si Miss Jen. And also to Sir Lloyd.
Good morning, another release for today, 2025 Vios XLE CVT. Another happy and satisfied customer from Ugarte Cars. Thank you for the trust.
Magsasign kami dito, taas ng name. Tsaka siyang magaling gumawa ganyan. Ako, wala eh.
Sakit na lang tayo.
Masakit ang ulo ko dyan.
Ayun, salamat sa Ugarte Cars. Ayun, thank you kay Sir Tim. Madali namin nakuha yung sasakyan, 1-day processing lang. Tsaka advice ko lang sa mga taga-ibang bansa na gustong kumuha ng mga sasakyan. Dito na kayo sa Ugarte Cars, mabilis ang processing, maayos, tapos madaling kausap yung mga tao dito. Lalo na kay Sir Tim. Thank you kay Sir Tim. Tsaka maganda yung quality ng car. Sobrang kinis. Yun lang, thank you. Basta use cars, Ugarte Cars. Ako pala si Aaron. Nakahanap kami ng sedan, Nissan Almera dito sa Ugarte Cars, Manila. Mabilis naman yung pag-asikaso sa amin, especially kay Ma'am Irish, shout out. And walk-in lang yung ginawa namin kasi hindi na reserve na rin namin yung unit. Nagustuhan naman namin, maganda. Mabilis na kami nag-deal. Kaya masaya kami sa service ng Ugarte Cars. Basta use cars, Ugarte Cars.
Meron po akong release ngayon, 2019 Suzuki Swift. For checking na lang po yung client. And then, nandito na din po yung bangko, si PS Bank, na nag-approve po sa account nila.
Sir, na-surrender po sa atin ng previous owner, manual at service. So, nandito po sir, check nyo lang po kung ano po yung naka-check na ni client sa kasa, nandito po yung records.
Okay.
Ikaw na po bahala mag-check.
Ayan yung spare key niya.
Okay.
Tapos ito yung... Okay.
Sir, meron lang kasi siyang cover. Kailan niya lang yan ang cover. Ito hindi pa nagagamit, sir.
I'm Alex from Quezon City. Well, thanks for Ugarte for base experience. Mabilis and madali naman kausap si Miss Vanessa and the Ugarte team. Well, kaya ako muna sasakyan for personal use and convenience. This is my first car. Siyempre, para magamit siya sa work. Of course, for other personal use. Since naging positive naman yung yung naging experience ko. Let's find out. I can recommend if they're interested also since I have a positive experience in looking out second-hand cars here. Thank you. Basta used cars, Ugarte Cars.
So ayun guys, successful yung mga releases natin. So nakita nyo naman, very happy yung mga client natin. Kaya basta use cars, Ugarte Cars. Thank you for watching.